नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है ukeguide और आज मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल लेसन। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं दैट वी विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग आवर 72nd इंडिपेंडेंस डे। बहुत ही स्पेशल ओकेजन है और इसीलिए मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ एक अमेजिंग लेसन। टुडे विल बी लर्निंग द वेरी पॉपुलर सॉन्ग ये जो देश है तेरा फ्रॉम द मूवी स्वदेश। I know this is one of our favorites, so quickly take out our ukes. Now once you get your uke, you need to tune it in standard tuning. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 4 chords, and these chords are chord G, chord E minor, chord C and chord D. Now to play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord E minor, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, your middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and your ring finger on 4th fret 3rd string, and chord E minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. Now to play this song, we'll be using a common strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, as a beginner, you can break this pattern into parts and then you can practice it before you can start playing it in the song. So to practice it, what you have to do, you have to play different parts. So the first part would be down, down, okay. The second part would be up, up, and the third part would be down, okay. In third part you will playing a single downstroke. So you practice it in different parts. So down, 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 down. Keep on practicing, okay. And once you see a smooth movement of your hand, then you start with part 2. So you do up, 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 okay. And in the third part you will simply do a downstroke, but this downstroke will be played with more force, so you need to play with more power over the strings like this, okay. So when you'll play it all together, it will sound like this. So guys, to explain you how you will use this pattern in various parts of this song, I will be displaying you instructions over the screen when we will be singing and playing this song. So do make a note of it, and that will further help you to understand different parts of this song. So let's start playing the song. ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में दबी दबी आहों में खोए खोए दिल से तेरे, तू ये कहेगा ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। तुझसे जिंदगी अब है कह रही, सब तो पा लिया अब है क्या कमी। तुझसे जिंदगी अब है कह रही, सब तो पा लिया अब है क्या कमी। यूँ तो सारे सुख हैं अब बरसे, पर दूर है तू अपने घर से। आ लौट चल तू अब दीवाने, जहाँ कोई तुझे अपना माने। आवाज दे तुझे बुलाए वही देश, ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। So guys, I'm sure आपको ये lesson पसंद आया होगा. Please give this lesson a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to ukeguide so that you can see more lessons like this in future. In case you have a song request, then do connect me on Instagram. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.